PLC control system can store 99 kinds of processing data. Wire diameter range 10 to 150 square millimeters. Powerful and easy to process cables up to 150 square millimeters. Adopt belt-type drive to increase pulling force and enhance wire stripping ability. No indentation on wire surface. This machine with rotary knife function ensure that the cutting and stripping of new energy high voltage wires and shielded wires is completed in one go. Automatic adjustment of wire diameter. No need to change tools for different cable sizes. Processing of high voltage power cables for new energy motors, charging stations, electronic controls and BMCS. Automatic wire cutting and stripping of both ends of the insulation. Can be multi-layer stripping at the same time. Industrial-grade control chip with high precision servo. Enables stable and high-speed operation of the machine. Stripping speed 400 to 900 wires per hour, depending on the wire.